Hey robot fans, welcome to my new vlog series. I've been looking for a way to kind of bridge the gap in time between my main project videos. I know they take a long time to come out. Thank you very much for telling me that so often. I thought that maybe doing a weekly or bi-weekly vlog video just to show what I'm working on in the shop at the time, maybe expand on something from a previous video. So this is going to be quick videos, minimal editing, no text effects, no animations, just here's some content week to week. So this video today is all about a follow-up to the DC-15 video I posted a week ago. There is a lot of feedback coming in saying how, oh, like, why didn't you just rebuild the entire gun? You pretty much did that anyway, which is true. So I want to show you a way that you can modify your gun without necessarily having to print as much as I did or redo as much as I did. So let's get into that. In the end, I found a way that I could have used the original Woodchuck barrel. The way the barrel comes is it has a wooden block in here, and that's where this bridge piece kind of attaches. I kind of reprinted this whole thing as one piece, but what you're left with if you take out that wood chunk is a hollow barrel, which is pretty much what I was going for with my reprint. Now this piece you're definitely going to have to replace. This is the piece that houses the transducer on my gun, so you're going to need a 3D printed part to bridge this gap here, and that's what this is for. This is identical to what I have here, only instead of extending out into a barrel, it just leaves you with this little nub, which fits nicely into the hollow woodchuck barrel. Now this will leave you with functionally the same thing that I have right here without having to reprint all of this. Your transducer will fit into there, and you can route your wires, and then this whole piece here will attach here to this cap that I have screwed into the main gun body. So I will put this file up on GitHub for anyone who wants it, and I think this is a great way that you could modify your gun without having to do any major renovations here. You can just replace this piece and add some sound to your blaster. So that's it. That's the first vlog video. I got to use my selfie stick for the first time, which I'm very excited about. This is exactly what I'm hoping to do, just make these short, quick videos to expand on ideas. I also want to use this series as a way to get feedback from you guys, people who watch the channel. Maybe there's something you want to see, maybe you want something you want me to do less of. Toss it in the comments, I'll make a video about it, or I'll stop doing it in my other videos. Probably not. So let me know what you think in the comments, if you think this is a great idea, if you think this sucks. Whatever, just let me know, and yeah, I'll see you next time.